Welcome back. May is recognized as Stroke Month, a time used to educate the community about the risk and symptoms of a stroke. Here's more from a Methodist Healthcare doctor. I'm joined by Dr. Moses Bukai with Methodist Healthcare. Doctor, this month is American Stroke Month. Tell us just about the importance of this.
So, the American Heart Association has been very devoted to prevent and treat vascular and heart disease. And stroke is the most significant cardiovascular event, the most deadly and the most devastating. So this is very important to be aware that stroke is one of the leading causes of death in our country and disability. And anybody who's had a patient with stroke knows how devastating this is. So one of the best ways to prevent a stroke is to know that hypertension is probably the most significant reversible cause of strokes. So if we treat hypertension, we're going to prevent a lot of strokes.
Okay, and for people at home, they're listening to this and they want to know the signs. What are the risk factors for stroke?
The number one risk factor is hypertension. There are many other risk factors that mingle and come, like cholesterol elevation, arrhythmias, and other more remote things, but hypertension is at the center of it.
For people at home, I understand blood pressure is very important. What else can we do to take control of our blood pressure to reduce that risk of stroke?
So the most important thing is knowing that you need to check your blood pressure. And we have partnered with a series of organizations to try to make the people aware, including the YMCA, senior centers, but most recently, Methodist Healthcare and the American Heart Association have partnered with the San Antonio Zoo. This is very important because people like the zoo. It's a friendly environment, but it's geared towards the general population, but also for kids. Kids need to know. So the sooner we know about it, the earlier we can treat. Most important is to also learn how to eat, reduce your risk, healthy eating with low salt, decrease the amount of fast food, sodas, energy drinks, and reduce your exposure to stress, which is better said than done, and keep a healthy weight. And very important to keep yourself active, exercise. So the zoo provides a very nice environment to do that.
These really are just some great tips, Doctor. And for people at home, I understand that there's a lot of highly trained individuals at Methodist Healthcare that are here to help, correct?
Yes. Every doctor takes pride of treating blood pressure. Sometimes blood pressure is complicated. We have become the first certified American Heart Center for complex hypertension, and we have some interesting new devices that help, and also medications. But most important, we've organized a group of professionals that are dedicated full-time in hypertension care, and hopefully also disseminate this information in the community.
Thank you so much for your time today, Doctor. And I know if people are looking for more information, they can go to stroke.org/stroke month. Thank you so much again.
Thank you.